Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best drum handlers is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any industrial setting dealing with liquids, powders, or other materials stored in drums and pails, ensuring safety, efficiency, and ergonomic handling for workers, transforming what could be a strenuous and hazardous task into a smooth and manageable operation, thereby boosting productivity and minimizing workplace injuries. Number 5. HOMZ 17-gallon utility tubs, 2-pack. These large, multi-purpose storage buckets are perfect for consolidating many items into a single container. Their open-top design ensures everything is easily accessible and organized. You get a convenient set of 2. Minimize clutter effortlessly by keeping sports gear or toys neatly contained. They are also incredibly useful for laundry, yard work, or even as beverage coolers for your next party. Constructed from robust plastic and featuring strong nylon rope handles, these tubs are built for enduring use. Cleaning them is a breeze, simply wipe them down or rinse with a garden hose. When not in use, these buckets conveniently nest together. This smart design allows for efficient storage, saving you valuable space. HOMZ offers innovative solutions to help you organize all the items you accumulate. Keep your space clean and your mind at ease with their help. They are committed to sustainability, using recycled materials whenever possible in manufacturing. This collection of versatile storage essentials is proudly made right here in the USA. What we like. If you need versatile, large-capacity storage for various household tasks or parties, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction and stackable design make it perfect for both indoor and outdoor organization, ensuring easy cleanup and efficient storage. What people say. Number 4. Hilmor CBK Compact Tubing Bender Kit. This innovative tool features a proprietary design, allowing it to effortlessly fit into tight spaces. It delivers exceptional capability and quality bends, even in challenging environments. Setting it up is incredibly easy. Just snap the desired crossbar and mandrel onto the handle, then click the pumping lever into position. Finally, place your tubing between the bar and mandrel, and you're ready to go. To use it, simply pump the lever until you reach your desired angle, up to 90 degrees. A quick press of the release trigger retracts the mandrel, allowing for easy tube removal. This ensures no damage to your metal. Its ratcheting mechanism and innovative release lever enable comfortable one-handed bending. This design provides superior ease of use, control, and precision for every bend you make. It accommodates a wide range of tubing sizes, from 1/4" to 7/8". The kit includes the bender body, along with all necessary crossbars and mandrels for these dimensions. What we like. If you're working in tight spaces and need precise bends, this tool is designed for you. Its compact, proprietary design allows for effortless single-hand operation, making it ideal for HVAC professionals or anyone requiring accuracy and control in confined areas. What people say. Number 3. ePackageSupply 5-gallon heavy-duty food-grade buckets with lids. These durable, reliable containers are proudly made in the USA by a veteran-owned company. You can trust them for all your long-term food storage needs. Crafted from high-grade, BPA-free HDPE plastic, they are incredibly durable. These food-grade pails are perfect for storing a wide variety of items, from soup to rice. Their tapered design allows for easy nesting and storage when empty. Plus, each pack includes a rubber mallet and lid opener for effortless sealing and access. The included airtight lids fit snugly, creating a secure seal. This keeps your food fresh, protected from moisture, and preserves its quality for longer. These versatile pails aren't just for food, they can store pet food, laundry detergent, or even be used for aquarium water changes. They are reusable and safe for many uses. What we like. If long-term food storage or versatile, secure containment is your priority, this is an excellent option. Its food-grade, heavy-duty construction with an airtight lid ensures freshness and protection, making it perfect for bulk ingredients, brining, or even pet food. What people say. Number 2. Guardian 00815 Rooftop Safety Kit. Ensure your safety when working at heights with this essential kit. It provides comprehensive protection for rooftop tasks. This robust lifeline offers ample length for various applications. It provides a secure connection point, keeping you safe during vertical movement. Easily secure your system with this durable anchor. It's designed for repeated use, offering reliable attachment to various surfaces. Experience comfort and security with its ergonomic design. This harness distributes fall forces evenly, minimizing injury risk. Keep all components organized and ready for use. This durable bucket ensures easy transport and protection for your equipment. What we like. If you prioritize comprehensive safety for elevated work, this kit provides essential protection. With its full body harness, vertical lifeline, and reusable anchor, it's perfectly suited for contractors or homeowners performing rooftop maintenance, ensuring peace of mind. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. Box USA BHAZ 1077 Metal Pail. This pail is engineered with exceptional strength. It ensures the secure containment of hazardous materials, providing peace of mind. Its closed-head design features a non-removable lid. This includes a convenient pour spout for controlled dispensing. For open-head versions, a leak-proof gasket is integrated. This guarantees a tight seal, preventing any spills or leaks. When empty, these pails are ready for various storage needs. They offer a reliable solution for organizing your space. The lids are thoughtfully recessed. This design allows for easy and stable stacking, optimizing your storage area. What we like. If you need to safely store or transport hazardous materials, this pail is engineered for that purpose. Its extra strong, closed-head design ensures secure containment, making it ideal for industrial applications or situations requiring robust, leak-proof storage. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.